Hello friends, welcome to Otica Electronics company. Today we are going to demonstrate an unboxing and usage of pediatric fiber optic laryngoscope. So this comes with a hard case to keep it safely inside of your hospital, and we are just going to open it like this. There is a lock here. So you have opened it. It comes with a powerful and sturdy case, so your fiber optic laryngoscope can be safely placed in your hospital. This is widely used nowadays for the intubation purpose, and this is the fiber optic blade. You can see this is a green series. It indicates it is a fiber optic laryngoscope, and the LED comes inside of the handle instead of the blade. So the benefit of the fiber optic is you can autoclave this blade for the sterilization purpose. So this is the handle. It comes with the two AA batteries. You have to open it from here, and you can see we have put two AA batteries. You just need to close it properly. You can see I have closed it, and we will start. This device comes with the three different size of blade. This is a Miller type blades. It is widely used for the pediatric purpose. This is widely used in NICU and PICU. This is a Miller 00 size blade. This is the second one. It is 0 number blade, and this is the third one. It is 1 number blade. So you can just see the size and comparison of the blades. So this device comes with three different sizes. So how to use it? You just need to put this blade like this, and when you lock it, it will start the LED. You can see it is now on. There is no any other switch. You just, if you will pull this, then this will be off. When you lock it, it will automatically switch on, and you can see the power of LED, and you can insert the intubation tube like this. So this is the blade size. All the blade size are given with the device. You can see. So this is how the Miller type pediatric fiber optic laryngoscopes work, and this is a good quality. It comes with 1 year warranty. Thank you very much.